Hi, this is Group 9's tube head project. This is the tube head, which contains the X-ray tube where X-rays are generated. This is the metal housing which surrounds the X-ray tube and transforms and protects tubes and grounds high voltage components. We have the insulating oil, which is this back here. It surrounds the X-ray tube and transforms and prevents overheating. We have the tube head seal, which is this here. It permits exit of X-ray form tube head, seals the oil, and filters X-ray beam. And we have the transformers. We have the step down transformer, which is a low voltage and decreases the voltage from the wall outlet, heats the filament just enough to form an electron cloud. And then we have the step up transformer, which is high voltage and increases the voltage from the wall outlet and creates enough voltage to propel the electrons towards the target.
Okay, so now we have the filament circuit, which is this red yarn. It uses 3 to 5 volts of heat to heat the tungsten filament. And then we have aluminum discs, which are in here. There's 3 of them in there. They filter out the non-penetrating longer wavelength X-rays. And then the lead collimator is also in here, that blue part. That restricts the size of the X-ray beam. And then the position indicating device, or PID, is right here, and that aims and shapes the X-ray beam. And then this is the glass vacuum tube. It measures several inches long, and it contains the lead glass housing, cathode and anode. And then this beryllium window right here is what permits the X-ray beam to exit the tube and directs the beam toward the aluminum discs, lead collimator, and the PID.
Hello, if you come over here, this is the cathode. It's known as the negative electrode, and it produces electrons to generate X-ray, known as the thermonic emission. And if you look right here, some of the components it has is the tungsten filament, which is on this side of the cup, or of the copper stem, and that produces electrons when heated. And then the myobendum cup focuses electrons into a narrow beam and directs to the tungsten target. Next, we got the anode, which is right here. The component is known as the positive electrode, and it produces a target to stop flow energy velocity electrons, and consists of the copper bar with the thin tungsten plate, and it's embedded in the end of the face of the focusing cup of the cathode. And then the last 2 we have here is the electric cloud and the tungsten target.